The Creator Series mount boxes are Monitor Audio's newest addition to our architectural solutions. It's a series of ceiling or wall mountable boxes, giving the integrator the capability to wall mount or ceiling mount all of our Creator Series products.
Creator Series mount boxes are a range of 5 new products. They're a really simple solution that enhances the Creator Series range and allows additional solutions for the installer.
Starting with the WM mount box, that being the on-wall solution for the medium-sized creator products. That's all 3 tiers will work with that one dedicated product. For our ceiling solutions, we have 4 products. We have the CS mount box for our compact small products in the Creator Series. We have the CM mount box for our medium cutout products, and we have the CL mount box for our large cutout products. In addition to that, we have what's called the CLD, the D standing for deep, because some of our larger products have that extra depth beyond 100 millimeters. So for those products, we have the CLD mount box. So that's suitable for the C3L loudspeaker and the C3LA.
The Creator mount box is a really simple product to install. You have a keyhole fixing on the back that helps you anchor the product onto the wall while you do the install, and then you have 4 core fixings that screw through the product onto the wall and secure it in place.
Wiring up the mount boxes is really simple as well. Each product has got a unique grommet with a cable through hole in there which will self-seal. You feed your cable through there, and then inside the box you can attach your quick link just as you would do normally with a Creator Series install, and leave that there ready for when you're ready to put the speaker into the actual box itself.
Once you position your speaker using the 3 dog legs, you then simply push fit the neat grille onto the mount box.
Both the on-wall solutions and the ceiling solutions come in black and white finishes. They are partnered with a cloth grille. That cloth grille has got some real neat design features. So it has a little chamfer on the rear to give a beautiful sort of shadow gap appearance. In addition to that, they're branded, but that branding is optional and multi-positionable in a wall environment. So you can use the WM mount box as an LCR type configuration around a screen, and you can choose to have the Monitor Audio brand visible or invisible. So there we have it, 5 products that dramatically increase the versatility of the Creator Series. We now offer on-wall, on-ceiling solutions at 3 different tiers, giving you guys, the integrators, choices like you've never had before from Monitor Audio.